Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Honesty channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing a power bank IPro Ip1042. See the MRP rate and it is 2799, but we can get it for just 600 rupees. Please click the below link to buy it for just 600 rupees. Let's see the specifications. We got 2.1 a maximum amps and output voltage of 5 volts, input as 5 volts, and it has lion batteries in it, and it is compatible with iPhone also. Let's unbox it. Okay, the package is pretty bad because of the poor delivery. Oh sorry, oops, there's no sticker. Let's open. Let's see what is inside it. Oh, we have got a USB cable. Let's remove the wire. Oh, it's just 10 centimeters long. Let's keep it aside. Let's take out the power bank. Oh, it's not. Yeah, okay, something is inside. Let's see what is inside it. Okay, I think it's the instruction paper. Oops, we got a warranty of 2 years warranty with the guaranteed by the company. Let's see the power bank. It's stylish look, IPro logo at the middle. It is lightweight and pocket sized. Let's see the power bank now. We got the IPro Ip1042 with 10,400 mAh, and we got the smooth curved polished surface, and we got smooth curved edges, and we got one button at the top and 4 LED indicators, and we got 2 USB ports for the out voltage and one port for the in voltage. Let's on the power bank. Oh yeah, it's on, and it's showing 2 points charge. We can charge it later. Thank you for watching.